Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you the latest update of Snapchat, that is you can do color bigger, how you can um, customize the color of your Snapchat story pencil color. So I'm gonna show you in this video. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So as you can see here, this app store, this is same for iOS and Android too. So just go to Play Store if you're using Android. I'm using iOS, so let me just go to App Store and then search for Snapchat. Okay, after searching for Snapchat here, make sure that you update your Snapchat application. This is the Snapchat application. Make sure to update your Snapchat application. And then I have already updated, so simply tap on Snapchat, and here you can see, let me just click one random picture here, and then here you'll find this type of icon here. So simply let me just go for pencil icon, and then you can select the color, any color. So let me just select for black for right now, and then here you can see we can paint like this. So if you wanna make this pencil bigger, this color bigger, then you just need to scratch like this. You can see here, you can see here, you can see here like this. So let me just do like this. I will do this much only. Okay, now you can see like this, and also you can change the color too. So this is how you can do the bigger color on Snapchat. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.